In this video, you will learn how to solve a system of linear equations using a graphing method. So pull out your graphing calculators. What you may notice here is that we solved for y for one of our equations, but you actually have to solve for y for both equations so that they are y equals and then the rest of the expression. We're going to go ahead and turn on our graphing calculator, and then we're going to press the y equal button. When I move 2x to the other side in that first equation, I'm going to have a negative 2x plus 6. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the calculator for my first line. My second equation has fractions. When you are putting in fractions into your calculator, it's good practice to wrap them with some parentheses. In this case, I'm wrapping my 1/3 with parentheses. My variable is going to go on the outside. Otherwise, the calculator is going to think that I'm trying to multiply the x by the 3 if I don't have that parentheses in there. Going to do the same with the 11/3 and wrap that within parentheses. I'm then going to press the graph button so that the calculator can graph these lines for me. I have two options now. I see that they intersect in the first quadrant. I can trace the lines or I can look at the points in the table, but I'm going to pick a third option, and that is I'm going to press the second button and the trace button to access the calculator menu. In the calculate menu, I'm going to go all the way down to where you see intersect. When I press on this, it's going to ask me 3 questions. You can just ignore the first 2 questions and the third one. And then it's going to give you the intersection. In this case, x equals 1, y equals 4. And that is your solution set.